When I started this rebuild, I knew I had to start with my health, not just training. Everything. What I eat, how I move, how I recover. So I kept it simple. Small goals, on purpose. Goals I knew I could hit. Because I needed something more than motivation. I needed proof. Proof that I could still show up. That first week, my goal was simple. 2 workouts. That's it. Even 5 minutes counted. That was the rule. First workout, I did a 10-minute fall-along jiu-jitsu session at home. Nothing crazy, just movement. And when I finished, it felt good. Not because it was hard, but because I did it. One step. The next day, I went to a martial arts class. Weapons, striking. A lot of the guys there, same age as me, just working. And I felt good. Tired, somewhat sore, but good. By the middle of that first week, I hit my goal. 2 workouts, done. And for the first time in a long time, things felt like they were working. Then, I got ahead of myself. A few days later, I thought, let's do more. Think I could do more. I felt good and I had momentum. So I went back to do something I used to do. Rush Fit. Back then, this kept me in shape when I wasn't actually in the gym training. So I hit play. The warm-up started, and right away, I knew something was different. I had to slow down, modify my movements. But I told myself, keep going. Round 1 felt heavy, slower, but I pushed. That old mindset kicked in. Then round 2, sprawls, my form slipping a bit, my body lagging behind my mind. And then my back tightened. So I stopped. I tried to brush it off. Bonus workout, right? Took a shower. And then it hit. My back locked up. The worst part, this wasn't new. For years, I've done the same thing. Too much, too fast, get hurt, disappear. Same story, different day. And I thought, damn, did it again. That disappointment, it is different because it's not just physical, it's mental. You start asking, is this it now? Am I just old? Is that version of me gone? No, I'm not. Neither are you. So this time, I made a decision. Recovery is part of the workout. When I first started training, I remember watching a UFC All Access with Randy Couture. He came out of retirement at 43 and won the heavyweight championship against a bigger, younger Tim Sylvia. That stuck with me. But what really hit was how he trained. They showed him doing something different. Trampoline work, low impact, easier on the joints. And I remember him saying, because I'm older, I've learned to listen to my body, listen to the muscles that are screaming. Back then, I thought it was interesting, but I didn't really get it. I was all about going hard, warrior mentality. But now, that hits different. When you're trying to come back after a long layoff, you can't just push through everything. You have to listen and adjust for the body you have now. The next week, I flipped everything. Instead of chasing intensity, I chased consistency, recovery, stretching, mobility, taking care of my body. And one day, one easy session, just move. And something changed. I stayed in it. Even when it didn't look like progress, even when it didn't feel like progress. And I realized something. I'd rather train once a week for a year than go hard for 2 weeks and disappear for 2 months or longer. This isn't about proving anything anymore. It's about staying in the game. Slow, steady, relentless. This part right here, this is where most people lose. But this is where it's built. We're not chasing the past anymore. We're building something better. And this time, we're going to make it last.